proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to flash firmware onto a Spectrum device using MiracleBox. I'll take it that you've installed Spectrum drivers on your PC. Now we'll launch MiracleBox 2. On the MiracleBox interface, click SPD tab. Click the checkbox beside right. Select your phone's chipset from this drop-down box. Select the firmware you want to flash. MiracleBox can actually flash Mira format and pack format, but for the benefit of this tutorial, I'm going to be using pack format. So select the file, then click open. Now if MiracleBox is giving you an error, you might need to change the baud rate. Now I'll click the start button. After clicking start button, you connect the phone while holding volume down button. So I'm connecting the phone now. You'll be prompted with a window to select the files and partitions you want to flash. Once you are done selecting, click OK. Now, once flashing is complete, you will get the message, "Write completed." You can now disconnect your phone from the PC.